In an industry where textile mills are responsible for around 1/5 of the world's industrial water pollution, a focus on sustainability is becoming increasingly necessary. Today, there are many reasons why textile brands, retailers, importers, and manufacturers need to be sustainable. More than just cost, sustainability is an investment in your company's future. Based on our on-the-ground experience of the textile industry and its manufacturing challenges, we have developed a range of textile sustainability services to help you achieve your sustainability goals and those of your customers. Because being sustainable starts by working with the right factories, we help you evaluate, verify, and improve the environmental and chemical performance of a facility. On an annual basis, a textile factory can reduce its water consumption by 30%. We also help you evaluate, verify, and improve the environmental and chemical performance of a product throughout its life cycle, and whether it is recycled or not. On an annual basis, you could be reaching a reduction of a product's energy footprint by 20% and carbon footprint by 40% during the production phase. Interested in learning more about how SgT can improve your sustainability? Contact us and speak with one of our industry experts today.